Has your car suddenly become incredibly hard to start? Or is it running terribly with the check engine light glaring at you? You might be facing trouble code P018D. This code stands for fuel pressure, sensor B circuit high. This is a serious issue that applies to many modern vehicles equipped with electronic fuel injection. The fuel pressure sensor sits on your fuel rail or fuel line and tells the powertrain control module exactly how much fuel pressure is available. The computer uses this data to adjust the fuel pump and injectors for the best performance and gas mileage. The system operates on a 5-volt reference signal. When the computer detects that the signal voltage from the sensor is way too high, usually indicating a broken wire or open circuit, it sets code P018D. The symptoms for this code can leave you stranded. You will definitely see the check engine light. You might experience a crank but no start condition, where the engine turns over but never fires up. If it does start, you will likely notice very poor engine performance, hesitation, and stalling. The causes for this code usually boil down to electrical problems. The most common reason is a faulty fuel pressure sensor. However, it is also frequently caused by damaged wiring, corroded connectors, or a fuel delivery problem like a weak fuel pump. Rarely, a bad computer module can be the culprit. To diagnose and fix this, you need to be methodical. Start by visually inspecting the sensor and its wiring harness. Look for frayed wires, loose connections, or broken plastic tabs on the connector. If the visual check passes, grab your digital multimeter. Turn the ignition on and check the sensor connector for the 5-volt reference signal and a good ground. If you have 5 volts and a good ground, the wiring to the computer is okay. The next step is to test the sensor itself against the actual mechanical fuel pressure. You will need to attach a mechanical pressure gauge to the fuel rail. Compare the physical gauge reading in PSI to what your scan tool says the sensor is reading. If the numbers do not match, the sensor is bad and needs to be replaced. When is it time to visit the mechanic? Fuel systems are under high pressure and can be dangerous to work on. If testing the sensor requires tapping into high-pressure fuel lines, or if you suspect the fuel pump inside the gas tank has failed, it is safer to let a professional handle it. Dealing with raw gasoline requires special safety tools. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more auto tips and have a great day.